Hello, this is Windows tip number 5, and I'm going to show you how to customize your start menu so you can make it a little more personalized and useful to you. So in a previous video I showed you how to get rid of the apps area of the start menu and kind of shrink it down. But now let's talk about what control you have over the items that appear here. So by default you have File Explorer and you have your recently installed apps and most commonly used apps, which you actually don't see here in my start menu, and I'll show you how to add and remove certain things and how to get other folders to show up here. So I'm going to close the start menu, and instead I'm going to right click on the desktop and I'm going to go back to this personalized menu which we visited in video number 4. Now once the personalization menu is open, we're going to select the start item from the navigation menu. So here we get a few different toggles. We can turn suggestions in start on or off. We can have our most used apps show in the start menu. We can have our recently added apps. We can also have the start menu open full screen, which is what it does by default for touchscreen devices. So if you have a touchscreen device, you can enable that, or you can turn it off if you don't want that. The full screen mode is going to be reminiscent of what the start menu looked like in Windows 8. Finally, you can have your recently opened items show up in the start menu. There's also an additional link here, choose which folders appear in start. That's going to take you to some more toggles, and then I'll let you choose to have File Explorer and Settings, which are on by default, but also have your Downloads folder, for example, show up. So now if I open the start menu, my Downloads folder is there as well. Other options available to you besides those: Documents, Music, Pictures, Videos, Home Group, Network, and your personal folder. So go ahead and look through all those settings, decide what's going to work best for you and what you don't want enabled, and don't forget to look through these again. And that's how you customize your start menu to make it a little more useful for you in Windows 10.